I think ICEP is such an important programme. It's an all-inclusive programme for individuals who have come to the UK on a resettlement programme.
To use their skills that they've brought over from the country that they've come from and to really strengthen our communities and our businesses.
So we have a team of professional mentors who are able to give advice and guidance to those people to support them to find a job.
Businesses can benefit from ICEP because what we will have is a wealth of individuals who have skills, experience and knowledge and a willingness to work.
If you'd like to get involved in this exciting scheme, go onto our website, there'll be an email there, get in contact with us and one of our people will get in contact with you and explain exactly how you can get involved. So please contact us. We really want to hear from you.
We're here because we want to make a difference.